Welcome back to another video. Today we have the buy one get one free from Milwaukee. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the buy one get one free. This is a $2.99 deal. You guys can get all these tools for free if you guys buy this $2.99 battery kit. If you guys want to hack this, you guys can hack it by returning the batteries or returning the tools and just keeping either one or the other at a discounted price. If that's what you want to do, you guys could do it. But if you guys don't want to do it, it's still a great deal. You guys could get the hammer drill $149, or you guys could get the Surge for $149. So you get those for free with that deal. And those are the tools there. That's the hammer drill there at the bottom. I do apologize for it, kind of blurry. So this is the other deal, $199. You buy this, you get this battery, the 2-pack battery, and you get any of those batteries for free. That is the 2-pack you guys can get. Those are not HP batteries, or high output batteries. Those are the regular batteries. You got the rubber light, you got the oscillating tool, and the sander. So you guys can get with that deal too. That's the oscillating tool. That's the sander, and then that's the rubber light, which is the best deal, is the rubber light. Out of all those three, the rubber light is definitely the way to go. You're getting more for your money. $34.88 for the multi-tool 7-piece bit set or blade set. Some people like these blades, some people don't like them. I know I receive a lot of comments from you guys down on the bottom that you guys don't like them. $199 for the 2.5 gallon wet and dry vac. This is the pack-out vac. This is the newest vac they have. I do have this vac. I do have the video on this if you guys want to check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys. $39.98 for this pack-out slim large large organizer. So to my likings, it's a little too narrow, too small, too thin. Nothing fits in there. $19.97. You got a 5-pack of 9-inch wood sawzall blades, and then you got metal sawzall blades. You get a free torch. And then you get multi-material blades. And then you got a 10-piece plus 6 blades for free. So there's a lot to choose from. It depends on what kind of work you're doing. If you're doing a lot of metal work, obviously you're going to get the torches. If you're doing woodworking, you're going to get the axe. You know, with some pruning, you're going to get the axe, obviously. That's wood. And that's metal to the right. So those are the deals. You guys get to choose whatever you guys want. And if you guys just use around the house or general construction, you guys could use the multi-pack blades with the free case. $199 for the 5-tool combo kit. $69 for the 2 CP 1.5 amp hour batteries. That $199 kit it's a nice kit. It's a nice kit for $199. It's a good deal. Some of those are not. Well, actually, those are not fuel. Just keep that in mind. But it's a nice complete kit for the DIY for somebody starting out at the field. $79 for XC 4.0 amp hour battery starter kit. $39 for the trouble lights with USB charger. As you guys see, that's the lights. As you guys see, and it is capable of charging your phone, so it does have a USB plug, so you guys can charge your phone there. Plus is a light, and that's the stubby there at the bottom. Alright, you got some lights here, some deals. $19.97 for the 300 lumen rubber. $29.97 for the 325 lumen focusing lights. And then 450 lumens for the right ones. So $29 for both of the right ones. Those are nice lights there. Definitely check them out. And then $99 for the inflator, the compact inflator kit. $34.97 for the 3/8 impact socket set. They didn't have any here. You guys see them, pick them up because they're really hard to find. I've seen them once in one store, but I've never seen them ever again. $54.97 for the hard hat lamp kit, rechargeable 475 lumen. So definitely recommend that light. That's a good light. That's the inflator. That's a good kit. That's a good price for the inflator. It's actually a great price promo. That's the 475 lumen light. It's a really nice light. I wish I could have picked it up, but I'm spending already too much money. I might pick it up. If I find it again, I'll pick it up. And I'll do a tool review for you guys. But yeah, this is a great light. I've seen a lot of YouTubers already use this light and they like it. And it is a rechargeable light, so you don't have to keep buying those batteries. $4.97 for the nitro dip gloves. That's it right there. So they're each, I guess, a pair. And then you got the leather gloves to the right. Then you got some safety glasses, $21.97 for a 3-pack, or $7.97 for a single. And then you got the mask there for $4.97, I believe. That's the 3-pack there to the right, and the single to the left. As you guys see there. And then you got the ink saws. Those are the black ones, $1.97 pack of 2, $3.48 for a pack of 4 with colors. So if you guys like drawing colors, there you go. And then you got a 12-pack of black, which I think is the better deal here. The 12-pack of ink saw for $9.97. And then you got the chalk reel kit, a 2-pack, $19.97. This is a really nice kit. If you're on the trades, if you're, do some landscaping and stuff like that, marking and stuff, definitely check it out. And then they got this deal. I guess if you buy 3, you get 1 for free. If you do it online, you can probably hack it, get all the ones that you want. Those are the blades there. It's a 2-pack, 75-piece blade. I really like those fastback folding knives. They're awesome. Definitely check them out. They don't have any here, obviously, because they're good. They fly off the shelf. 6-in-1 stripping pliers there. And then you got the 12 feet, or 25 feet, my bad. 25 feet Milwaukee tape measure. And then you got these gloves. These gloves are really nice. Definitely check them out. I do use them. I have them. I love them. The only thing is that these are not, guys, these are not heavy duty. These are like mostly moderate, I would say moderate light duty use. But they're really comfortable, and you can swipe your phone with it. You have a hammer drill there. As you guys see, this is the other kit you guys could get for free, the hammer drill. $99 for the 2-tool combo kit, or the reciprocating saw kit, or the 2 batteries. The combo kit is not fuel. It's not the newest. I believe the hammer drill's on the wrong side. $39.88 for the bimetal hole saw. This is the 13-piece hole dozer. Remember, guys, we did see this a few weeks back. We ended up picking one up for the channel. I believe I still need to make the video for it. I can't remember if I did make the video or if I still need to make it, but I do have the footage. I should have the footage in there. If not, I'll see if I can link it above if I already have that video. $24.97 for the 50-piece shockwave drive set. $29.97 for the 23-piece shockwave helix titanium. Guys, titanium is the way to go. Don't go any less unless you're going carbide. But yeah, titanium is the least you want to go. $159 for the one-handed reciprocating saw, the hacksaw. $179 for the circ saw. Those are the 2 tools you guys can get for free with a $299 deal. Same thing with this one. This is $229 for the rocket light. We do have this rocket light. We do have that video. We love this light. I want to get a second one, hopefully, if I can get more room here. I don't have any room. But yeah, I love that light. Really nice. $99 for the 1/2-inch drill driver kit, or the hex impact driver, or the 2-tool or the 2 battery pack, $99. Those are HO, I believe. That's the drill driver kit. Those are brushless tools. Same thing with the impact driver, brushless tools. Alright, you got $199 for the multi-tool oscillating fuel, $149 for the 6.0 battery pack, and $99 for the impact driver. As you guys see there, $149 for that. That's pretty good for the sixes. Got the oscillating tool there. That's the fuel, the new one. Alright, so and then we got the impact wrench, $219, 8-amp-hour battery, or the angle grinders. You guys could get those free with that $299. Remember, guys, you guys could get that free with a $299 kit. So if you guys buy that HO kit, you guys can pick any of those for free. That's a good deal on this. It comes out to like $100 and something for this 8-amp-hour battery. Same thing with this angle grinder. It comes out to $100 and something. So definitely check them out. Some great deals here. And then we do have this. This is the top off 175 watt power supply, red lithium 5-amp-hour battery. So it does come with the free 5-amp-hour battery, or not a free. It's a bundle deal. Still great deal. You're paying only $50 for that 5 amp hour battery. I think it's a great deal. Definitely check it out. $149 for the impact driver, drill driver. Those are, I believe, those are brushed tools. And that is the other kit, the cheaper kit. $199 will get you a 5 and a 2, I believe. That's the deal there, and those are the tools that you guys could get for free. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you guys strictly Milwaukee, the free promos that they have going on. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. It's the way to progress the platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.